Hi, I'm Rick. The pallets you see behind us, these crates, are donated to us by a local shipping company, and we turn them into birdhouses. I get Falls of the Ohio driftwood here in Louisville, Kentucky. And then I'll add knickknacks and doodads I find at Goodwill or yard sales or even my personal things. Um, and 10% is always goes to the onerescue.org. My brother, Pastor Lee West, rescues kids all over the world from slavery, one family at a time. He vets and goes and makes sure that the dollar gets where it's supposed to and that everything's done right. So let me show you a birdhouse. This is one of my boys' room birdhouses kind of thing. It's a little self-explanatory. Used concrete here and made it look like the truck was driving all the way around. Kind of cool Batman kind of thing going on there with a batarang. And it's not all the way down, so you can. When a bird gets on it, it's going to move around a little bit. It's going to be funny. I thought it was cute. The wood came out amazing. This paint, this Behr paint, is just so cool. So beautiful. Got a whiskey barrel. I got an airplane. Living outside the airport here, just a couple miles away from the international airport. UPS planes fly over every 20 minutes when they're on their go. But anyway, check out this birdhouse. This is really cool. You can get these little knickknacks at the store, and he was kind of tilted wrong, so I thought I'd make it like, oh, I'm falling, I'm gonna fall. Anyway, thought it was funny. Beautiful piece of driftwood. I carved out the center and added greenery, Behr paint. Ooh. And this is one of my favorites here. Piece of driftwood I found, a flat piece of driftwood, rare, but probably a fence post or something somewhere. Turned it. I wanted to make a sign out of it, but I botched it, so I made the floors out of it. And anyway, so got this wonderful piece of driftwood that was not from the Falls of the Ohio, but actually from out in the West Coast. A buddy of mine brought that back for me. Put a little knick-knack on there, stars and stripes, because I always want to think about my boys. I got one in the Navy and one in the Air Force, and I'm always thinking about them. So I do a lot of patriotic stuff. All right, cool. That's that. Thanks. Have a good one.